Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the anti-aliasing in Dead by Daylight. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to options. Now here, we want to head over to graphics and scroll a bit until we see the post process. Now here we will have the anti-aliasing, and here we can change it to off, so we will have no anti-aliasing, or to TAA. So this is basically one choice, or to disable it basically, so we got two choices. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.